Hey folks, there was it was actually a Qantas airline emergency aircraft that had priority to land, so they just vectored us around. So we're just kind of going low and slow here while he gets in, and then they're slowly working us back in the pattern. So if you're wondering the reason for the delay, that's what's going on. So just be patient, and we should be landing shortly. Thanks.
Why did they emergency land?
See if I can find a way through the gate if you want to see it over there.
No, it's in a different.
Those passengers departing flight 2444 with service to Dallas Fort Worth. That gate is now gate 45. Flight 2444 with service to Dallas Fort Worth is at gate number 45.